Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the printer and ensuring Wi-Fi is active. This is the only way forward. Make sure you have the exact SSID and password ready, and pick 4 GHz if your HP model prefers it. Next, install the HP Smart app on your phone or PC and enable location or Bluetooth when prompted so discovery works. Once done, use the app's Add Printer flow to locate the device. This simplifies authentication and avoids manual IP entry. You'll continue inside the HP Smart app, where the Add Printer wizard guides the connection. Select Wireless Setup and enter your network SSID and password exactly. Accuracy matters because a single character error prevents joining. Then accept any permissions the app requests so the phone can configure the printer over Bluetooth or local Wi-Fi. Wait patiently while the printer negotiates with the router. Status messages will show progress. If the app displays an IP address, note it for later printing or troubleshooting. You finish by printing a wireless test page to confirm connectivity and the printer's IP address. This validates success. If the printer fails to connect, reboot both router and printer, then reattempt the app flow. If that fails and your router supports WPS, try WPS connection or temporarily connect via USB to finish setup. Make sure to reset the printer's network settings only as a last resort because it erases saved configurations. If problems persist, note error codes and try again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.